Oh. What's up, guys? This one's a good one. Check it out. Come check this thing out. So it's a 1977 International Scout, obviously. It's got stock Dana 44 axles underneath it. Interior though is really, really sweet. We did a custom leather interior with some plaid that the customer picked out. And I think it turned out really cool. Yeah, these seats are super nice for the Scout. They're Scat Pro 90 seats. Our in-house upholstery guys put this whole interior together and they just really knocked it out of the park. They do very professional work. Otherwise, standard operation, sound and heat deadening, carpet, roll bar, 3-point seat belts, headliner. This thing even has AC, man. Check it out. So this thing's a manual transmission. I like shifting. It's very, very fun. This transmission is an AX15. And right in front of it is a Corvette LS3. It's really sweet. Come check it out. Look at this. That is an LS3, brand new. It's very, very good horsepower. I think it's got 420 horsepower or something like that. It scoots down the road real well. And we're using an electric fan setup to cool the radiator. Kind of have to do that with these LS3s because they never really came with a fan. So you're using an electric fan for that. We've got our hydraulic clutch system for the manual transmission. And otherwise, it's pretty standard operation for our drivability conversions in general. So vacuum brakes, BP Automotive harness, custom tune. It's just a great build, man. Really clean, really simple, very, very fun to drive. Yeah, so the exterior came to us painted just like this. Customer sent it that way. The fender flares were already on there, Bushwhacker fender flares, pretty good. These Workman bumpers though, we built these in-house for this truck. They are the original. We've been doing these things since like the 1990s. And not really, actually early 2000s, but whatever, it's close enough. Then the Workman rear bumper, excellent. Spare tire carrier on there. And otherwise, just SS2 grille with the Holley Retro Bright headlights. Really excellent choice for a vintage look while still being able to see at night because they are really bright. It's a great headlight. So just to recap, this is a drivability conversion complete with an LS3, AX15 transmission, Dana 300 transfer case, Skyjacker 2-inch lift suspension, new shackles, new bushings, new wiring all the way around. So the wheels, you're asking about those already, I'm sure. Those are US wheel Series 66 rat rod with the Kenda Clever 33-10-5-17s around them. Otherwise, man, you're looking at a beautiful Scout 2 in awesome running condition that's gonna rip you down the road as fast as you wanna go. Check it out. See you next time. Thank you. Love you all. Peace. Oh yeah, and if you're interested in it, check us out on the website. Email us and let us know what you want us to do to your Scout.